Finally tonight here, my journey here in China to find the humanoid robots putting the world on notice. We land here in Beijing, the American flags and the Chinese, for this high-stakes summit, where the global race to lead on artificial intelligence and robotics technology is on. And we go to find the robots. This AI developer conference, one of the biggest here in China. You can see the future is walking right towards us. One of the humanoid robots here on display at the conference. This humanoid robot stands at 5'5". They call him Ollie. This robot weighs about 121 pounds. You're convinced this robot is going to be able to do chores in the family home? Yes. It's bowing already. You've taught the robot how to bow, but you think that's just the beginning. Yes, they tell us, proud to show us this. Through artificial intelligence, you've trained the robot to be able to lay down and then get back up. They program these robots with data on human movement. This robot weighs 121 pounds, laying completely down, and then sitting back up like a human. They consider this a major technical leap.
You have a wrist, and that means makes him more flexible.
Oh, the waist.
The waist.
Yeah. It's all in the hips. And they tell me this is just a start, but what they've been able to do already is eye-opening. This is the G1 humanoid robot built by the Chinese robotics company Unitree. They have put the robot through extreme tests, walking through deep snow in northwestern China, freezing Arctic-level temperatures 53 degrees below zero. That same robot on rollerblades and on ice skates, doing flips. And look at this, 50 of those robots in unison. And their newest model just this week, the GD01, transforming from 2 to 4 legs and able to carry a human. The U.S. is building robotics too, but by some estimates, these Chinese humanoid robots now account for nearly 80% of sales worldwide. And we look for one of those Unitree G1 humanoid robots right here. So this is the robot that you've seen rollerblading, ice skating, testing temperatures, Arctic level temperatures. We go for a walk with the robot. It then performs martial arts and dance moves too. And it's something we hear over and over again here. The workers at Unitree tell us they are convinced these robots will soon help in the home with daily chores. We ask, what will this robot do? What do you see the robot doing to help humans? They tell us it'll help in the home and at factories too. And we ask, will it replace humans?
It will not replace humans, but it will replace some work that human does.
Won't replace the human, but replace some of the work. Be very careful, right? But already the household chores. Not far from us, the robot folding laundry. Not bad, huh? All right, there you go. I mean, I can still fold faster than the robot. And they tell us here that laundry is just the start. Unitree robots are being programmed to make beds, help clean the house, to do the dishes. The people here are mesmerized. Who wins the artificial intelligence race when it comes to robots? China? The US?
I usually think it's China.
You think it's going to be China?
Yes.
It has to be China.
You say to the American. Tonight, the humanoid robots we witness coming right at us, part of this newest frontier to win artificial intelligence.